What's the best way to make a new contact feel appreciated? Hi, this is Eliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new contact in HubSpot. Then we'll be using our AI Wizard by Workload to generate an email, and then sending that email in Gmail.
All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We'll give our workflow a title. So this is going to be HubSpot to Wizard to Gmail. I'm going to select a trigger by clicking on the trigger box. And this app is going to be HubSpot. And the event is going to be a new contact. Make sure I'm connected to my HubSpot account. If you have any questions about connecting to your HubSpot account, check out the blog in the description. And we'll test our trigger. And we have a new contact. Okay, so I want to send an email to this contact talking about how I'm glad that we met and how I'm looking forward to working together. So I'm going to select our tools and the AI Wizard by Workload. I'm going to prompt your data. The input data, I'm just going to use the person's name. So we have a Barbara Boozer. And my prompt is going to be, write an email to this person about how happy I am we are connected and look forward to working with her. So then we'll click continue and we'll test this action. And we've got an email. Hello, Barbara. I just wanted to reach out and express how happy I am that we are connected. I'm looking forward to working with you and collaborating on future projects. Let's create something amazing together. They gave me an email subject and the name, so that looks perfect. So then we're going to add a step, and this is going to be in Gmail. And the event is going to be to send an email. Make sure I'm connected to Google. Again, check out the link in the description to our blog if you need help logging in. So the to email address is going to come from that trigger in step 1. I might want to send a CC to myself so I can keep track of what our AI was writing in that correspondence. I can say that I am also the from email. And my name. And I'm also the reply to email. The subject is going to come from that step 2 because it was created by AI. Excited to connect and work together. Great. And then the body is also going to come from there. Then I'm going to click continue and we're going to test this action. So the email was sent. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I'm going to click continue here. And then I can activate my workflow. And now every time there's a new contact created in HubSpot, our AI Wizard will automatically draft them an email and send it through Gmail. So that's how you can use Workload to create a workflow that sends an email every time you have a new contact in HubSpot. Please join the community by commenting on this post. If there are any suggestions you might have for future videos or any questions you have about this workflow, you should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.